Hi, I'm Taylor Walk, and we are here at Vox Nutrition. This is our Epson SurePress printer for our printing department. So our Epson SurePress has 6 print heads. It does cyan, magenta, yellow, black, white, and a digital varnish layer. Each print station has 11 different print heads or print nozzles that apply the ink to the substrate, and a UV light cures the ink after every single application to ensure the highest quality. We can print up to 600 by 1200 DPI. We currently offer 2 substrate options. We offer a white and a metallic option. We can print labels from about 1.5 inches large to up to 12 inches by 36 inch labels. Those labels would be applied to protein powder tubs, those kind of 2-gallon tubs, all the way down to the small tinctures that we sell. The speed and efficiency is one of the main reasons we decided to go with the Epson SurePress. The capacity of this machine on our one shift that we are currently running is around 5 million labels a month. We can print at 3 different speeds. Obviously, we like printing at the fastest speed, which is about 50 meters a minute, or about 1,300 labels per minute. So this label showcases our metallic foil. You can see by the backing, the metallic bop. And then we have a digital varnish finish that adds that texture. And a gloss finish, which really makes the label pop. This is one of our other favorite capabilities that we have with the digital varnish, is that textured kind of floral design that you can see in the background. We also have the option of doing either gloss or matte laminate on all of our labels. So this one's a matte lam. It has a smooth, velvety finish that our customers really like. So the Epson SurePress has a very simple platform that allows us to print quickly, but also ensure the integrity of our labels so that they're the highest quality print for our customers. If you'd like to learn more about our label offerings or request samples, please reach out to your sales rep.